If you don't recognize this, this is a Silpat. And it may look dirty to you guys, but basically I just cleaned it. I just washed it and wiped it dry. And the reason it looks this way is because as you bake on these Silpats, the heat from the oven gets a little discoloration on them, and they feel greasy. And this is normal for a Silpat. There's nothing wrong with the Silpat. But if you ever want to get some of that greasy feeling off of it, all you have to do is use your regular dishwashing liquid and a little lemon juice or a little bit of baking powder mixed with your detergent, with your dishwashing liquid, and just scrub it clean. And that'll take away a little bit of that grease. But that oily feeling you're feeling on it is from when you put cookies and stuff on it, you bake your items and stuff on it. A lot of that oil, a lot of that butter is being released into the Silpat, but it is nothing wrong with it looking like this. Now, it don't look pretty in videos, y'all, but we not the Food Network. We not the food channels. We not the cooking channels. We're not chefs. We're not professionals. We're not cooking with brand new stuff every day. This is stuff that goes on in a real home kitchen. Cook with it. It's good. They have a lifetime warranty on them, and I like them. You can use this, or you can use parchment paper if you don't want to use this, or you can spray your pan with cooking spray. So those are three options that you have. But I really do like the Silpat. I didn't at first, years ago when I started using them, because I started noticing the discoloration, but I had done some research and found out that it's just fine. It's just the normal stuff that happens to them over the course of years and years and years and years of using them. So I want to encourage you to, if you're using a Silpat, and if you don't like that greasy type feeling that's connected with it, even after you wash it and dry it, just squeeze a little lemon on it with your dishwashing detergent, or squeeze a little baking powder on it and scrub it, and that'll release some of that oiliness from it. But I'm going to use mine just like this. So that's the easy kitchen tip for y'all today. Y'all go out and make it a great day. I'm Val Taylor. I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.